What is going on, my peeps? Today, it's kind of unique. Well, every day is unique with Root Pooty in your life. But yes, so I gotta take a little trip, and I might be getting gassy in the car, so we're gonna see how much farts I can do in the car. And don't get me wrong, I love these AirPods. They're actual Apple AirPods, not the other stuff that you see that's 30, 40 bucks. And don't get me wrong, they probably work, but and I wish Apple would make these in black. Like, please, Apple, if you're watching me, I'm farting for you. Come out with black AirPods already. But anyways, enough about that, seeing as they're not paying me. Surprisingly, I'm bloated, but just haven't really been able to fart yet. And I'm out in the middle of nowhere, good old countryside of Indiana, cornfields. We got cornfields for days. You need some corn, I'll hook you up. Some ethanol and some butane fuel from my booty. That'll get you fired up. Oh, you thought that was something. You thought that was something gnarly, didn't you? Oh. Doesn't. Man. I think I kind of look really dumb with these. Well, I mean, they work. I like them. I don't have to take them out. It's not like listening to music and stuff. Plus, it's easier to text and communicate because I can activate Siri. Alright, stop. Enough of talking about it. Anyways, I just like using them. But my butt doesn't want to talk right now, so moving on. Yes. Instantaneous. Whoa. Woo. Can you feel the green odor just lingering? I got this car on my butt right now. If he was to smell it, he would probably back off. Cruise control set. I don't know if I got like road shyness or something, but it just ain't working. This isn't doing anything. Ooh. Yes, that felt amazing on my booty hole. So now I'm waiting for somebody. I wish that somebody was you. Did you hear that little... What was that? It was like it just went... Oh. Ooh. It's a good thing I had to pull over. It's getting a little raunchy in here. Don't you wish you could... Hope you heard that one. I just got back. It's... yeah. That's what's up. That is what's up. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. And just follow me on Twitter because I post there daily. Whoosh. Bam! Got him. I post on Twitter, Root Pooty. Just type in Root Pooty on Google, and if I got it, it's there. You can find me Root Pooty on Kick, Root Pooty on Twitter. Yeah, and I post a little bit on Instagram, but Twitter is where it's at.
Twitter. Follow me on there. I post daily stuff of Rapudi in action. And yeah.